Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to use recorder. Just I taken the new launch Chrome, launch instance, taking URL, maximize, 60 seconds to load. If anything, press button, close it. So press browser, and now I'm going to use the recorder to extract. Okay, I'm already logged on the page. The recorder, if you use that, appear this like if you use the recorder, then I want to use this. Oh, it is. So we want to take this like how to take how to use the record. If it's not coming, cancel it. Can we leave? Okay, it is taking time to come. We take this like it is like just will take market details. Details of environment, starting with which take this to not to take the student. We have tested it will work on that it will take that, and we have to use the name, and we have to take the password, take the password filter. Yeah, enable select this one. We have to use the select. So we already know the how to use the selectors. Select technology name. Okay, after getting writing username, times that's not a problem. Username, then we have to use the selectors of password. Not change it to password. use like password. Already we taken the populate. We take the recorder. Keep recorder. Everything will work. Just be canceling. Like recorder, are we doing? Sometimes it will take like this, but we can record extension. Wait, check. If it is working, then we know to check. Get. Oh, shit, it entered on the wrong thing. Think we have to try again. Username and username. And equal stroke. And I will type it. We have to run again. It's loading. And now it is entering. Yeah, because of that thing, we can move. We can take recorder, click on log, saving. For not for loop. Not for here. Here we have one. Start from one into two. Went one by one. We can use wait. Now it will be output. We use a loop index to loop two times. I think now it will work for the launch entering username password. Because of some of the times the versions use the click action correctly will not work, but easiest way like to use the recorder. Some of the popular actions it will not work. We have to use the keystrokes to know how to take. Perfectly it will can able to do that. Then it's clicking logout, wait 2 seconds, again enter, enter. Submit. Click logout. There is the loop index to do that. And that's it of this URL we taking, and we know about all the selectors. We already talked about previous videos to selectors. Okay, then we'll connect on the next videos.